Hello everyone, this is Scott with a performance report on this 4-pill Fatboy with Toshiba 2879s for Robert in California. Robert got the box all cleaned up and went through it. Had to replace one of these toggle switches. It was only making about 50% of the time. As we talked about, functionally the box is in excellent condition. Cosmetically, it's got a few blemishes on the case that you and I talked about. You may be putting a wrap on it anyway, so I wasn't too worried about that. I went through and took everything apart, cleaned all the grills and the fans. I had to replace one fan. It was not working, so she seems to be working pretty good. So we'll jump right into the performance report. I'm going to drive it with my trusty old Galaxy Pluto and a little 4-pill MOSFET driver. Show you what we're doing here. Dead key and average input. We're keying about 5 watts, maybe 6 for input, and I'll show you average power swing. About 82 bird. I'll swing over here. This is a 250 watt slug. I'll show you peak power. Again, this is just input. This is with the driver. Hello, audio. Right at around 145 input. So, which will match up real nice with your, about the same as your 2995DX. So I'll go ahead and change this slug out in the meter. I'm going to put a 2500 watt slug in the peak meter. Alright, got it in operate. So you got a couple switches here. You got this is your main on and off. This is standby and operate. You got a high and low and a preamp, and all of these work, of course. So we got it in low gear. Right up here, 2500 watt slug. We're in average right now, so we'll be reading that top scale. We're keying about 75 watts dead key. This is average power swing. Hello audio. It's about 550, 600 watts average. We'll go to peak mode. Again, we're reading that top scale. That 5 is 500, the 10 is 1000. Hello audio. Audio. So about 1100, 1150 maybe peak power. And of course you can raise your dead key up. I've got it set pretty low right now at 50. I'd run her up to about, I don't know, about 150, 150, 200. Hello audio. Audio. Hello. It seems to be working really well. So Robert, I hope you enjoy it. It's a fantastic amp. Like I said, it's got the 4 2879s in it, and you can drive it with that 2995DX. If you have any questions, give me a call. 73s.